Hey there! Do you want to learn how you could realistically make up to $1,000 in a single day or more with affiliate marketing in 2021? If so, then be sure to stay with me all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to reveal exactly how you can consistently make up to $1,000 in a single day online. And I'm also going to show you how average people just like yourself are making high ticket commissions online, going anywhere from $250 per day, $1,000 per day, monthly recurring income, and even commissions going up to $4,000 in a single day with what I'm going to show you in this video, right? So if you stay with me to the very end of this video, I'm also going to show you a really cool bonus that I have never offered before. I've not seen any other marketer, coach, guru, mentor offer before. And this is something that I'm only going to be offering for a very short amount of time, only to a select few people who decide to take action right now and take advantage of this exact offer, right? So I know for a fact that this is going to help you immensely in your business if you decide to take action. But more on that at the end of this video. Let's actually go ahead and let's get right into things, right? So if you are someone who is completely brand new to affiliate marketing and you never had any sort of success online before, then what I want to show you in this video is a really newbie friendly way that you could start. Even if you are someone who is, for example, non-technical, if you have no previous experience or no other, past success online before, this will help you immensely to get started, right? So I want to first and foremost go over why most affiliate marketing tutorials on YouTube don't really work that well, right? For people who are brand new, right? So let's say, for example, that you're brand new to affiliate marketing, which, obviously would be the reason why you're on this video. And you go out there, you're like, okay, so I'm going to look up how to make money on ClickBank, for example, right? So you look up a tutorial on YouTube and someone shows you, okay, first and foremost, create a ClickBank account, then go ahead, find a product. And then once you do that, then you're going to have to go out, build a landing page. Then you're going to need to create a sales video. Then you're going to need to, for example, set up, tracking. Then you're going to need to start driving traffic to the page. And then you're going to need to start following up. You're going to need to write your own emails, email your list, right? And you're going to need to do all these things. But if you are someone who is completely brand new, this is very likely going to be overwhelming. And the other problem with this is that when you go on sites like Digistore24 or ClickBank, and you're like, okay, well, I'm going to find an offer to promote, the one downside is that there is a lot more competition on these sites now than ever before. And the other downside is that the commission rates aren't really that great for the long term, right? So if, for example, you sell one of these products right here, for example, this Dropshipping University product, you can get paid around $158 per single sale, which is pretty okay. But if you can get paid high ticket commissions online, like $1,000 a day, or perhaps more than that, then wouldn't you rather take that exact amount of work that you would do to promote a product like this and instead get paid much bigger commissions online? If so, then Digistore24 or ClickBank or any of these other marketplaces might not be the best option for you if you are someone that is just getting started, right? So, competition is much higher than ever. Commission rates aren't really the best. And, if you're someone who's brand new and you have no previous experience, then you have to learn all these different things to get up and running to really get results with any of these programs out there. Now, what if there was a way that you could actually take the same amount of work that you would do to promote one of these products, or perhaps a little bit less work, and still get paid much more money for what you're putting into it? And I want to show you a really cool way on how you can do affiliate marketing if you're brand new, right? So like I mentioned, if you're going to promote a product on Digistore24, ClickBank, or any of these other marketplaces out there, you have to learn all these things like building up funnels, doing your own sales videos, writing out your own emails, doing tracking, all these different things. But with this new program that I recently got started in, this program actually takes care of 90% of the work for you, and it helps you to sell these high-ticket programs online that'll pay you up to $1,000 a day, or perhaps more than that. You can even get paid up to $2,000, up to $4,000 from a single sale, and it's just much more newbie friendly if you are someone who's just getting started, right? So with this program, you have pre-built capture pages that are converting very well. You have a very high converting sales video inside of here. You also have like free lead magnets you can give away, and it allows you to get paid up to 4 times, from 4 different income streams just by promoting one link alone, right? So what you could do is you can go into this program right here. You could take any of these capture pages. You simply click on copy link address, and anytime that you refer someone to this exact page, for example, someone decides to opt in, they're going to be coded under your name for life. And then, the follow-up emails will be going out anytime that someone decides to buy into the program, whether it's right away, which this program does a really great job at, converting people right away with the video. But even if they don't buy right away and they buy like a month down the road, you're still going to get credit for that exact sale, as well as credit for all the other income streams inside of here that that member that you refer decides to buy, which is really great for you if you are someone that wants to get, for example, multiple streams of income, if you want to create passive income, if you want to get these high ticket commissions online, just like what I showed you earlier, just like, how I was able to do with this exact program, and how, this other member right here, Christy, at home holding my sad teething baby and just received this text. I love this, so check this out, right? This is really just to show you exactly what is possible when you have a system that converts very well, offers high-ticket commissions online, and provides to you all the things that you would need to promote any other offer online, right? So if you were to go on a site like Digistore24 or ClickBank and you want to promote any of these products, well, yeah, you could just send clicks over to your link. But if you want to get long-term consistent sales online, then you need to have your own sales funnel built up. You need to have your own follow-up emails going out. You need to be following up with people. Otherwise, you're going to be relying on, the odd commission here and there. Whereas this program actually does the follow-up for you on your behalf, meaning that if you could just get good when it comes to driving traffic, which the system shows you how to do that anyway, it shows you a really newbie-friendly method, with traffic authority, and you just get people to visit your link, opt into your capture page right here, and you just do that consistently, then you could have phenomenal results with this exact program. And I know that for a fact because this has worked very well for myself and plenty of other members in here that have tuned into this exact system right here, right? So I want to offer you a really cool bonus when you decide to take action right now and you decide to join through the link or the button down below. So below this video, there's going to be a link or a button down below where you can decide to get access to this entire system right here. And when you get in, all you're going to want to do is go through the 4 steps that are laid out right here. And underneath step 2, which is the most important one, this is where you'll set up your 4 income streams, right? This is how you'll get paid from the exact program, is by setting up an account with each income stream inside of here, and then simply saving your username inside of each field right here, right? So with step number 2, you want to go through and you want to set up all the income streams to the highest level that you can, right away, because this will really help to maximize your commissions in the long term, right? So with income stream number 2, easy one up, this is the second one inside of here. This allows you to get paid commissions anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 per single sale. And when you decide to come in at the very highest level inside of Easy One Up, not only are you going to be saving money in the long term because it gives you access to all the other levels at no additional cost, not only will this allow you to get access to all the training and also give you the ability to earn commissions up to this level, up to $2,000 per sale, but you're also going to get a really cool bonus from me that is truly going to blow your socks off. And this is something that I was not planning on offering. It's not something that I'm going to be offering for very long, but when you decide to join through the link down below and you come into income stream number 2 at the Vertex Live level, what I'm willing to do for you is I'm willing to get on a one-on-one coaching call with yourself where I literally walk you through exactly everything that I'm doing to get results of this program and how you could actually get results of this program as well. I'm going to show you exactly what my strategy is to promoting this exact program right here. I'm also going to show you how to take this a step further, how to really maximize your earnings. And if you want, you could ask me any sort of questions that you have. If you are for example wanting to learn any other thing regarding this program, you could do that as well. But to take this a step further, what I'm also want to do is when you get your first sale at the Vertex Live level, I will personally coach your very first member that you refer to Vertex Live for you on your behalf, right? So just like what I do with you, I'll get on a one-on-one coaching call with your first member, and this way you don't have to worry about having to coach your first member if you're brand new, right? So I know that for a lot of these programs, one common objective that holds a lot of people back from getting started is, well, okay, if I'm going to promote this thing, then I'm going to need to provide all these epic bonuses, and how do I do that if I'm brand new with no previous experience? Well, this takes the weight off your shoulders when you allow myself to simply coach your very first member for you on your behalf, right? So this is something I've not seen any other marketer do before. I've not heard of any other marketer offering this before, but this is something I'm willing to offer for a very limited time, only to those who come in at the Vertex Live level inside of VZ1Up, right? So this I know for a fact is going to help you quite a lot because, again, when you get that first sale, it's really all a matter of just replicating what you're already doing to get up and that to get that first sale. And the more that you just keep replicating that, then the more your sales will, of course, replicate in the long term, right there, right? So that is what you're going to get when you decide to join at this level right here. But you also get some other cool bonuses like personal ongoing bi-weekly coaching. So if you want even more help, more one-on-one help, then this will also help you as well, right? You'll be able to ask questions here. And not only do I show up on a lot of these coaching calls, but you're also going to learn from a lot of seven-figure earners in the industry that are doing phenomenally well. And you could simply attend these calls. You could ask any questions that you have, and this will give you even much more support for the long term. You'll also learn specific methods like YouTube, Facebook ads, the massive traffic formula. You'll learn how to follow up with people with Facebook Messenger, and tons of other really cool things like organic Facebook marketing. You get some email swipes and a ton of other really cool perks when you decide to join at this level down below, right? So this is a phenomenal deal that you're getting with this exact program right here. And if you want to literally replicate everything that I'm doing to get results with this exact program, if you want to replicate a system that is working very well for members, and if you also want to take this on steroids, it really maximizes your earnings for the long term and really shorten the learning curve, then you want to go ahead, visit that link down below, go through all the steps that are inside the system, and make sure to set up all your income streams at the highest level possible, especially income stream number 2 at the $2,000 level, because you're going to get so much more benefits for the long term for what you're paying for, right? So anyways, if you see an opportunity for yourself, you're like, man, I really want to get these high ticket commissions online, then go ahead, visit that link down below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care.